Toronto channel, we are discussing an amazing discovery in a field of science relating bacterial immune system. We all know that humans have an immune system, and human immune system has an ability to remember the previous attacks to the human body. And we are astonished to find out that bacteria also have an immune system. And we asked this question of, do bacteria have immune system? And the answer was provided by Dr. Joanna Fossil from Marymount College. Hello everyone, thank you so much for having me here tonight, and I'm really excited to share my research regarding bacterial immune system. Yes, bacteria do have immune system, and it has been unknown for longest times, including for scientists, and it's been discovered accidentally by a group of Japanese scientists in 1997. And now it's been improved and widely used in gene engineering and drug delivery. And today I would like to share my research regarding bacterial immune system in a bacteria called Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and also two types of proteins that has been produced by viruses that are meant to deactivate this system. So just a little bit of an overview about the way how the system works is that so once a viral DNA enters the bacterial cell, it triggers sort of an immune response. So this immune system goes and finds this foreign DNA that just entered the cell, and it uses its protein that acts like scissors to chop down this DNA from the virus. So, and these pieces of DNA are kept in the cell, and they are incorporated to a special type of RNA called CRISPR RNA, which acts like a memory for the cell, so that in the future, just in case if a similar type of a virus attacks the bacteria is a lot better protected than it was before. So to study how two different types of proteins from viruses and they deactivate this system, we use electron microscopy. It's a type of microscopy that uses electrons instead of a light. So a scientist prepares a sample that contains a protein or the virus that we are trying to visualize, and it contains an electron source, and then it has a magnetic loop that directs all the electrons towards the sample, and it contains a transmitter. All the electrons that go through the sample or reflect from the sample, and then it creates an image that can be used for measurements or just for visualization purposes. And then we found out that the first type of this deactivating protein from the virus, what it does, it attaches to the scissor-like protein of the system, and it changes the shape protein that it cannot be active anymore, so it cannot do its job of chopping down the foreign DNA. So, and then the second part of it, it mimics a DNA, so it basically deceives that scissor-like protein that it is the foreign DNA that just entered the cell, but in reality, the foreign DNA is just kept safe, and then the protein is basically chopped down. So in this research, we are trying to show that no matter of the remarkable diversity of this immune system that bacteria developed for millions of years, viruses are coming with new methods to deactivate this immune system. This was a very brief summary of our research, and thank you so much for having me.